How to get $100 Nike promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Nike promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Nike. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 50% off, 40% off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at Nike. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Nike. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Nike. So this way you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for Nike. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.